Hey, Jay.
Hi.
Okay, so also, not only did we work on our big other final music game, but we all created a fun little cafe, right?
Yeah.
So what did we use mostly?
We used if statements, elif statements, and else statements.
Exactly. Here, so let's play it.
So, it'll ask me to input a whole number.
Oh yeah, that was a test, just to make sure it works.
Yeah.
And then get rid of that. Okay, so there now we have our question.
So it says, what kind of drink do you want? Hot or cold? In this case, I'll put cold because I like cold drinks.
And then what's gonna happen?
So it's gonna give me a couple options: soda, juice, or water. I'll get soda.
Good choice. I would have got that too.
Yeah. It says you have purchased a soda.
Yeah. So, and we do this with all of them, right?
Yeah.
Here, do you want to show? Just scroll down in the code.
I can't. Here.
Oh yeah, right here. Yep. So here we have all different inputs and all different statements for each drink for both hot and cold. And what were your hot drinks?
They were hot tea, hot coffee, and hot chocolate.
All great choices. But yeah, thanks, Jay.
Yeah.